So today I'm changing out this through the wall air handler unit, and what I did is went ahead and stripped it for parts. Now what I'm finding is a lot of times you can get substantially more money for the parts. We have a main circuit board, then we have a control circuit board, and then we have a supplemental circuit board for this unit. And then a lot of these through the wall units, they use proprietary power cords, and they vary depending on the voltage. So you can see they have connectors and stuff. These usually run $20 to $30. So these are proprietary to the different units. Then you have internal components such as this electromagnetic. And then we have portions of the wiring harness. These are all quick connect, and I find that a lot of people need these quick connect components because they break them. And then we have the control itself, and what you find is this is an LED unit. If you take it over and look at it, you'll see that sandwiched in between the two plastic is LED components. And then we have the start and run capacitor here. So what I normally do on these units in washing machines, refrigerators, everything else, I strip out what I can before I junk them. And then if possible, I separate the copper and aluminum because you'll get more for that. If you have electrical motors and things, they pay more per pound for motors. And sometimes I use these components to repair stuff that I'm working on. And I've gone on eBay a lot to find pieces and parts, and I've actually bought this kind of stuff from other people to repair things for myself and for other people. So scrapping stuff, if you do it properly and you don't destroy these connections when you take it apart, these things actually sell pretty good because nobody wants to make this stuff. Because these are all proprietary connectors, and if you screw them up, these parts are hard to find nowadays. So just keep in mind when you're doing repairs around the homestead, the workshop, or your small business, scrap the components before you get rid of stuff. This will bring you a big side income and also gives you spare parts when they're not available. And what I've noticed is manufacturers change these things about every 3 to 5 years. So a lot of these components, 3 or 4 years after the equipment is made, you can't get them anymore. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of things you can scrap. You can even take the screws out, and a lot of these screws are hard to find. So keep that in mind. You can bundle these and sell them however you want, or use them to repair other stuff. Please comment, rate, subscribe. See you on the next video.